Don't mind how my hair look, okay? I feel look good. Ain't that right, y'all? But I'm gonna do a little mukbang at there. Don't share my food at there, like. I should get my food. So yeah, I got pork fish with fries. Okay, let me stop it. Okay, I'm gonna go to the camera, y'all. I'm gonna go to the camera. Hey, why the light went off? Hey. Hey, what it doing? Hey, what it doing? Okay. Why the light went off? Bro, must have went dead or something. Do you want me? Do you wanna love me right now? Right now. Do you love me? No, I mean some of this fry. This fry bustin'. This is bustin'. Child. Oh, thank you for my fry. Be alright, honey. Okay, I ain't trying to do all that. How y'all day been and stuff like that? You know, my day been good and stuff like that. Just been eating, you know, trying to work and think about ideas what to do myself, you know. Trying to figure out life, you know. It's so good because the crunch and the meat. This is sorry. So sorry. Hey, in the cut with my twin, we be vibing. Yeah. Time for drink time. How has this year been for y'all? I can say this year been crazy for me. Okay? This year been crazy. Hold on. I know my drink ain't going that fast. Oh, okay. I was gonna say now. Oh. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Oh my gosh. Okay. Y'all hear that? Okay. Do y'all hear that? Okay. Okay. Let's get back to the pork fish. Okay? This stuff good now, y'all. Get you some pork fish, okay? This is really good. Really good. Now hear that? Let me get close to the camera. Now hear that? Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Hold on now. I did my lemonade ain't gone that. Wait. Slow down now, girl. I know you ain't drink on your lemonade. I know that's right. I know I drink on my lemonade. Okay. It ain't gone yet. Oh, this is the bomb, honey. Okay. I'm greedy. I'm so sorry. Yeah, that's that good thing right there, y'all. Okay. I hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love all of y'all. Thanks for all the support and stuff. I really appreciate you guys for subscribing. Look at my hair. Look at my hair, y'all. I got my hair, my dreads, two stuff. Thank y'all for tuning in to this video. I thought I was going to say. But yeah, subscribe to our channel. And yeah, bye.